All right, I'm going to give you a 360 of what my hair looks like right now. And I'm also going to take pictures so I can compare them at the end. So a little bit of a 360. This is the less gray side of my hair. And the back, I have no idea. This is I have more grays on this side for whatever reason. And then here's the top. Okay. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Just for men, this is the original formula. And if you see, this is a 5-minute application time. And this is for the natural look. Fast and easy shampoo hair color. And this is the H45. Now, that is the dark brown black. Now, I struggle between that and the H46, which is I believe is the pure black, right? Because my hair isn't completely black, but it says that if you struggle to pick between the two, you should opt for the lighter one. So I've opted for the brown black, which seems lighter on this guy's hair. But, you know, my hair is not really completely black. My hair is darker than that, but it's not fully black. So I've opted for the slightly lighter one rather than going for the pure black, because I think that just look a little bit too artificial for me. So as you can see there, it tells you for, you know, the different levels of gray and what you expect. Obviously, I'm going to do a 48-hour allergy test, which is mandatory for these products. And if I don't get any reactions, then I'm going to, you know, go ahead and do the test. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing to find out what actually comes in the box. Okay, you get an instruction manual in the English language that basically talks you through instructions, including the allergy test, very important. Okay, you get this is the color base. This is the shampoo in color. Okay, the developer, this is called. This is like film photography. And this is a pair of gloves, of course. Okay, so always wear gloves because I think this is henna. And if you don't wear gloves, they might end up coloring your hands as well. So be careful with that. Right, this is 3 days afterwards. I try to create the same conditions with the light and etc. But I think you can see that this is absolutely incredibly effective. Let me just do a 360 for you. There you go, on the top. Man, that looks amazing, right? That has worked perfectly. I went for the correct color, it seems, because anything darker than this, and I think it would look artificial. So always on the lighter shade if you're not really sure what your shade is and you're torn between two shades. But what do you guys think? I think that looks amazing.